Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a tree. First we have made the branch and then we are making the green part. After that we are making a small mushroom beside tree, and then we are making sun above the tree, and then we are adding some greenery, and it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making some big leaves, as you can see, and then we are making some mountain effect. Then we have shown that it is air who's blown all this. At last we are making some birds and it is ready. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a shell with rainbow effect. First we are making the shell, and above that we are making rainbow, and you can color it. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a mushroom themed house. First we are making the structure of the house, then windows and doors. After that we are making some flies on the ground, and then we are adding some details like greenery, flowers and a beautiful butterfly. At last we are making a sun in the sky, and it's done.